Hi, it's Jan from Vanmobile World, and today it's an exciting news. It's an exciting day, by the way. So here we have a first truck with concrete, a truck with the pump. There they have another pump to push it in the workshop. These guys, I don't understand why they are here already, because after the concrete is poured, they're gonna go with this helicopter. That's going. So I think they set out a level, safety first, never they do. Huh? So yeah, here comes still some another steel layer over it. They put some pavements as distance to keep there. I think that's not the most professional way, but it works. And we are now covering up the side walls with two guys from our team to make sure that if they pour concrete, not all the walls are full of concrete. So let's check in later when they did some extra, and see you then. But first I go with the bulk to the gym, because my job became last year's very much sitting behind the office, and it was quite a shock to see that part developing last years. Back from the gym, and I have a question for you guys. So I have the question. You see, I drive with the windows completely cut out of the bulk, because I find it claustrophobic to sit inside. I cannot hear upcoming traffic. So I was wondering how many people of you would like to drive with this open, to be like a hole, because otherwise I make it an option, because I think it's really nice to have audible communication with the traffic around. I hardly feel the air flows here inside, until like here I don't feel that the air flows in. So I'm not sure about how much efficiency you lose here, but let me know in the comments. So I was planning to film on the road, but normally I stick out the camera, but with the hood that doesn't work out. So it's now 1 o'clock, and they just started with pouring concrete. It was a day of until now, and I hope it will be end of the problems, like the pump. There's in the car is a pump who pumped the concrete, broke. Then the concrete station stopped working, and now the vibration needle is broken. So really great, but it will come all right, I hope. So it's now 6:30 in the evening, and they poured almost all the concrete. Here's still spots open from 3 by 6, so like 18 square meters they need to do still, and then they have that machine there standing to helicopterize it, I think it's called, but I will come back with a report tomorrow morning. Good morning. So this is the result next day. It's pretty shiny, and I'm walking bare feet, and I never noticed that concrete is hot the next day. It's really comfortable walking bare feet. I will show you some details. Some details we have to take care of today before the concrete is really hardened. That we need to clean up this old stuff. So I called already some guys to come over. And don't worry, there comes still windows up there. So we have lights, but this will be in mostly storage space. That office will come there, and there comes a storage place for assembly. There in the back comes painting, and there will come still windows there. That was a bit of a miscommunication. In the design was windows, then I accepted the design, and then in the contract it was not written. So we have had an argue about it, but they will come to install the windows in the roof still, and these one we will do by ourselves. See you next time. Bye bye.